Hi Seahawks, it's Miss Campen here, and this tutorial is to show you how to use the clever app called Capstone Interactive Books. So the first thing you're going to do is log into Clever. Your student will know how to do this. They do it in the classroom every day. They should have a Clever badge that their iPad can take a picture of. Since I'm a teacher, I need to log in through Active Directory. This is where your child, though, would use their Clever badge. Once they're logged into Clever, they will see a list of all the apps available to them. If you scroll down to the Reading and Research section, you will see the Capstone Interactive Library app. It also says Capstone eBooks underneath it. You're just going to tap on that, and it opens right up. There's no further login required. You don't need any passwords. All the books are here, and these books are read aloud to you, or the student can read them on their own. Either option is available. I'm just going to scroll down a little bit so you can see some of the titles. You can search for a certain kind of book. If you like dogs, for example, you can put dogs in the search bar, and it will show you all the books they've got on dogs. You can also click on these tabs on the top to see the most popular books, and the newest books will come up to the top for you. Halloween is coming up, so Scary Places is on the top of our list here. When you see a book that looks good to you, you're going to click on it. I like cats, so I'm going to click on the cat book. It will tell you a little bit about what the book is about, so you can decide if that's really what you want to read or not. Parents and teachers will like the book information tab. It gives you some information on the book, including the lexile and reading levels, and also about how long it will take to read the book. This book is going to be almost 8 minutes long. And then if I read this book and really enjoy it, and I want to see some more books by the same author or in the same series, I can click this tab, and it will show me other similar books that I might enjoy as well. To read this book, I'm going to click on the green Play Book button at the top. And you have the choice to either read the book page by page or all at once. I usually choose all at once. That feels more like sitting and reading a print book.
A Cat's View of the World by Flora Pratt.
I use this arrow on the right side
Wild
through
Roots.
the pages.
Meow, wow.
If I hover at the bottom of the screen here, you can see there are some tabs. You can see a table of contents, a glossary of highlighted words in the book. You can turn the audio on and off, so if you don't want the book to read out loud to you, I can turn that audio off, and I can read the words on the page myself. If I want to turn the audio back on, I can either click on audio again, and then hit the play button, and that'll bring back
Wild Roots. Meow, wow.
and that'll bring back my audio. You'll continue to go through the pages of the book until you reach the end. Okay. And when you're done, you can just close out that tab, and it'll take you back to the beginning. So that is how we use the Capstone app. There are many good books in here. A lot of them support our science and social studies curriculum standards as well. So I highly encourage teachers and parents to take a look at the Capstone Interactive ebook app.